Good evening, TikTok. This is one of the last items that we will have on the auction. This is a 1928 replica car. It's a kit car of a Mercedes Benz. And if you'll read this story right here, some folks in our area that donated this car to the foundation. So tomorrow we're going to auction this car off. We've got a reserve on this. This is the only item that we have on the sale, but it is just a nifty little car. It just has a little 4-cylinder Ford motor in it, and there's the inside of it. And here's what it looks like from there, and here's what it looks like from behind. So yeah, it's just a neat little car. It's a convertible, and so it's all going to the proceeds of the Travis Burkhart Foundation. So we hope that we can reach our reserve and make this thing go. Wave, guys.
Bye.
Turn the lights on, Evan. Yep.